Hey Zach, so I'm just going to take a few seconds to kind of go over how to apply the cycle menu in our system. So our system, how it works is depending on that last day a cycle menu is applied to a particular month, we save that information, and then from the next day onwards, the cycle menu will apply for the next month that you would create. So for example, I have this 6 week cycle menu, which I just created. And the first 4 weeks are essentially the same items every Monday through Friday. But for the sake of the example, we have different items on this fifth week. So I can show you a partial week. And then we also have on the sixth week, all of the same items. You'll see, except for one or two, it's going to be that same cheeseburger, apple slices and veggies, and Chick-fil-A 8 count. So the way I like to apply it is we can just go into master menus and let's go ahead and create like one test August menu, or maybe another example would be September menu where it ends in the middle of the week. So I'll go ahead and apply it as regular, and then I'll apply that school menu. And so over here, you'll see that the first 4 weeks applies as mentioned earlier. It repeats the same as every Thursday and Friday. But you'll see the Monday and Tuesday kind of begin that first new change in the menu. And then when I go into review it, I hit save and exit. And then I go ahead and create another menu, but now instead of September, it'll be October. If I apply the same menu, you'll see that the changes reflect here for this new menu which we've added. So this is the continuation of the fourth week. This is going to be that fifth week, which has the different items, and then this also the last sixth week of the cycle, which has all the same items every single day. Um, I think another example which we can show is if you did it for the August menu. So for example, let's just say this is a test August menu. Since there are 5 weeks in this month, and I apply the same school cycle, you'll see that on this last week, we have all of the unique items on each day that are separate from the first 4 weeks of the cycle. And then if I go in and review and save and exit, the next time I apply this menu for, let's just say, September, you'll see then when I go in to apply the same cycle, it starts off with the sixth week, which is the same item every single day of that week, and then it repeats it as such. So we kind of maintain that last date, and then from there, it'll apply the next following day on the cycle on the next day on the next month that you would create a menu for.